Well, just let my wife go. What's up, YouTube, Bitcoin people? Welcome to Crypto Commando. Today we're going to talk about my favorite blockchain. Today I'm going to talk about ARK.io completely on my own free will. It's going to change everything. Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about ARK.io. ARK ecosystem. It's been a few weeks since my last video, so just forgive me. I haven't really gotten out much. Okay, let's dive in. Let's dive in. It's gonna be a lot of fun. There's 3 things you need to know about ARK. One is it was made by 27 people. 2, smart bridge technology. And 3, point-click blockchain. These are the fundamental essences of ARK's blockchain. Now, for those of you who don't know what blockchain is, let me tell you. Blockchains are databases that make people some money if it's 2017. Alright, let's hop right in. So, everyone knows about Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin is going to change the world. But Bitcoin just isn't good enough anymore. Now we have ARK. ARK is like Bitcoin, but it's better because anyone can install it on their computer without knowing a thing about blockchain. Let me show you what I mean. All you gotta do to learn how to do this is go to ARK.io, and then you click on jobs. Then you click on wallets. This is where it starts. This is as easy as you can get. Version 1.61, you download that and you are ready to point, click, and blockchain. Some of the features of ARK is that it has if Bitcoin is like, guys, mining. Remember back in the day when people used to have to mine for gold? Now you don't have to, you can just do it on your computer. That's cool, but it's probably expensive. I don't know. I don't really know anything about proof of work, which is what mining means, because I just started doing crypto like 2 months ago. So let me tell you about how I learned about ARK. I learned about ARK on my favorite site, Reddit. Let me give you an example. I typed in Discord for my favorite game, ARK Survival Evolved, and then somehow I ended up over here, ARK Discord channels. What do you think? So I joined, and I didn't learn. It wasn't about dinosaurs. All about ARK ecosystem. Cryptocurrency, coin, blockchain, wallets, news, guides, exchanges, coding, ARK.io, ARK coin technology, delegates voting, and a lot more. And a lot more. That's not all that that's not all that ARK can, but it's some of it. Anyway, so mining is something that people did to make a lot of money, but with ARK you don't need to do that because it's better. It's better than Bitcoin. It's delegated proof of stake, which means instead of mining, you vote with your wallet, and you trust rich people to vote for the right people to keep their Minecraft servers online. anyone could set up an ARK node. If you want to set up an ARK node, it's super easy. First you have to go to ARK server. There we go. Fetching a game from Steam CMD. Create a folder where you wish to store your ARK survival evolve. God damn. Let's talk about ARK's dev team. They've got a solid dev team. They have, there's Mike. I don't think he's a developer. There's Fix. He's good. I like him. I think there's probably other team members, but that's what you want. You don't want a single point of failure. You don't want just one guy. You need at least 2 guys. And ARK has 20 guys, 27 guys, according to their website. The ARK crew. ARK was founded by 27 individuals from around the globe. Currently, ARK has 19 core team members coming from 11 different countries, giving a decentralized team a whole new meaning. Now, who are some of those teammates? Mike, FX, very cool. Lars, Travis Walker. Now, you might know Travis because he's the guy who keeps sending signals out on Blockfolio. He won't stop. He won't stop doing it. Stop! So that's enough about the team. I think, as you can see, like, they have a team actually pretty good at what they do. But let's talk about the technology. There's a lot of blockchains. Some say there may be too many. There's a lot of them. Wouldn't it make sense to bridge them? That's where smart bridges come in. A smart bridge is, it bridges the blockchains. If I had a Ethereum, and I needed to launder it for Lisk, Bitcoin Cash, you would need a smart bridge. A smart bridge is like a real bridge, except it's smarter. While I could just drive across a bridge with a bag of Lisk and give it to my Ethereum drug dealer, that's not good enough. We need to do it on the blockchains, and that's where ARK comes in. They've got the smart bridge technology, and that's gonna change a lot. Oh, and speaking of smart bridges, let's talk about point-click blockchain, the other feature of ARK. Anyone can have a database. So if I was building a website and I needed to have accounts, I would put those in tables in a database. That's cool. But that's Web 2.0. We're beyond that. Now you're past the MongoDBs, which don't call people that. That's probably offensive. And SQL and Maria. Now we want to point click and blockchain. And so let's say I want a token for all my sprues, and I need to sell it to you. Well, I could ICO on Ethereum. I could ICO them to make me money, but that might not always work. But with ARK, it's fast. 7 to 8 6-to-8 second transactions. Now that's pretty quick. And that's happening because the DPoS. That stands for delegated proof of stake. Now that's pretty quick. And if I needed to get rid of these sprues pretty quick, so that way I could find a hobby that wasn't so fun, then I would do that by pointing and clicking the blockchain. Let's look at the charts. What kind of money can you make with ARK? This is the big question, right? Now, if you had invested last year, you could have made money. But it's not about the money, it's about the technology. I would just want to be clear that you should never, and this is not investment advice, but you should never take investment advice from anyone about blockchain. All right, here we are on my favorite, most useless site, CoinMarketCap. And we're just gonna scroll down till we find ARK. Tron, wow. Binance Coin, Binance, Digibyte 33. Digibyte is number 33. Sia, basic attention coin. Where are you, buddy? We'll get there. Oh, ARK, number 85. So top 100 coin. That's down a little bit today, but let's look at this chart. This is the all-time chart. No, sorry, I think it's upside down. Okay, that's better. So if you look, what we have here is we started here, and then we had a big dip. So if you bought this dip right there, you could have made nice profit when it rose back up. Then another big dip, and now we're just continuing to see a slow and steady rise. So that's pretty cool. And pretty soon, there's gonna be a reason to have this, still be holding it. So thanks for checking out my video today, bros. Make sure to check out this great game. It's one of ARK's killer apps. It's called StayDiluted.com. Here you can learn how to match 3. It's a lot of fun. I've been playing it for weeks. They're not a sponsor. I just genuinely love this game. You have all your favorite characters. You've got Pink Wojak, this person from that terrible game, the down arrow, Moon Man, and Golden Pepe. So like, it's a lot of fun. If you get the high score and you're super invested, you can guarantee to waste a few hours playing this game. So shout out to the awesome devs making this, and to the ARK community for really making this happen, and I highly recommend you check it out. Alright, thanks a lot. You guys, see you in the next video.